Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about some exciting news about Apple and Lucid Motors. Is there going to be a partnership? We do now know that there is going to be some ties from Apple producer Foxconn that does produce the Apple iPhone for Apple. They are now going to be opening a plant. They are in talks with the Saudi Arabian government to be producing electric vehicles in Saudi Arabia. Well, guess who backs up Saudi Arabia and who has a huge investment in an EV company that Saudi Arabia funds, which is Lucid Motors? Is there going to be a partnership? We will be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others and also get your free stocks using my links down below to Moomoo. Put in $1, you'll get your free Neo stock. In addition to this, if you put up to $100, you will get a free LCID Lucid stock. Stay to the end of this video and I can show you how you can get an additional $17,500 free in stocks and this huge opportunity. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk to you about this partnership that is in talks. It could be in the works, or it could just be some miscommunication. But we did now know that in the past few days, we did see an article that just came out from Tech Radar that talks about the Apple car, everything we need to know so far. It's a story of twists and turns. We do know that Apple has been working on a car, an electric car, for quite some time under the Project Titan. Now, the Project Titan stated that it is going to be working on an electric vehicle for Apple. We do now know that Apple is going to be making the electric vehicle most likely in the year 2025, 2026. What we do not know is a lot of details about this, a lot of speculation still swirling around. Will Lucid Motors be the company that will be producing the Apple car? That has been one of the rumors, and it has been shot down by both CEOs, the CEO Peter Rawlinson of Lucid Motors and the CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, has both neither denied or approved that this combination, this partnership will be happening. But right now, a lot of investors are still hopeful. Now, that being said, we do know that the Foxconn, the producer of the iPhone, and they have been making a lot of gadgets for Apple, is in talks by moving into Saudi Arabia. Right now, they are in China. They have been making the iPhone in China, but right now there has been a huge outbreak of COVID, and they have shut that Foxconn facility down in China just because of the huge COVID outbreaks that there have been. In the past 2 years, this has been the biggest COVID outbreak. So Foxconn is looking to build a $9 billion facility in Saudi Arabia. They are in talks with the government right now. We do know that Saudi Arabian is really into electric vehicles. They do want to make this their future, as they know that their supply of oil is going to be going down. This is going to be a commodity that is going to be stopping in the near future. They do want to go green. They do want to transition their economy into electricity, electric vehicles, and Foxconn is looking to build that facility there. Now, it is rumored that Foxconn could be making the Apple car, but we also know that Lucid Motors is going into Saudi Arabia to be producing their Lucid sedan. So Saudi Arabia right now is going to be the prime hub for both Apple and Lucid to be producing its electric vehicles. We do now know that Apple has been seeking a partnership to get some components, to get some technology from other companies. We have also learned that Lucid Motors is willing to work with other companies to get their technology out, its patented technology. They did state, the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, did state that he will be selling and giving the information, the technology to other companies. They have not mentioned who these companies are. Lucid Motors has not been in talks, or has stated that it's been in talks with Apple, but we do know that all the dots are leading towards Saudi Arabia. We do know that Saudi Arabia is a huge electric vehicle hub now for Lucid Motors, and now it looks like Apple will be joining them through Foxconn. We also do know that Foxconn does make other electric vehicles for other companies. Just most recently, Fisker has announced that Foxconn will be making its Ocean SUV vehicle. So this is not just a 100% deal that Apple will be joining ventures with Lucid, but it is going to be in close proximity. That does tell me that there could be some future partnerships there. If not at all, at least they could work on some parts, battery supplies, chips. So definitely it is an investor's dream come true. But right now it is just speculation. So I did just want to put that out there. But this is exciting news, and I did just want to share that with you, as this would be an amazing deal for both Apple and Lucid Motors if they could join ventures and make that electric vehicle, that Apple car, in the near future, in the year 2025, 2026. Let me know your thoughts down below on what you think. Will this partnership happen? If it does, this will be an incredible joint venture for both of these companies, as we do know that Lucid Motors has the best technology ever. Right now, we do know that it has the most efficient battery out of any batteries, making that 520 miles on a single charge. We also know that they have great power. If you go back and watch the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, does do tech talks, he has an amazing job talking about the battery technology. Also, he does a great job about talking about how they get the power in the batteries, how they cool the batteries. If you haven't checked it out, check that out. It's amazing discussion and an educational video on how electric vehicles work and how the battery pack works. And Peter Rawlinson also gives away some secrets to Lucid Motors and its efficiency. So be sure to check that out. But I hope that you like this video. I hope that you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. And also, don't forget to get your free stocks using my link down below to Moomoo. Open that account down below with $1. We'll guarantee you that free NEO stock. In addition to this, put at least $100 into that account to get an additional Lucid Motor LCID stock for free. Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free additional stocks valued each all the way up to $3,500. Incredible opportunity to get free stocks. You can get a potential of $17,500 using that link down below. Take advantage of that huge opportunity. But most importantly, thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for commenting down below. Have a great week, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.